Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a great day. And today I'm going to be making flan for Mother's Day. If you're new around here, subscribe, comment, hit that bell. The ingredients are evaporation milk, condensed milk, cinnamon, vanilla, and the sugar, and eggs. Now we're going to crack 8 eggs in a bowl. Add everything into the blender. Now we're going to make our caramel for our flan. Now we're going to add 1.5 cup of sugar into the pan. When your caramel is really smooth, that means it's done. And be very, very careful because it's really, really hot. Now my mom is going to help me pour the caramel into these. Now that we poured the caramel, we're going to add the flan mix in caramel. Okay guys, I just finished my flan baking and now we're going to wait 1 hour and then we're going to take it out. Okay guys, now I'm going to take it out. My favorite part, the taste test. Squishy, sweet, and juicy. Guys, look down below for the ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay safe. Cowabunga, bye.